Good morning children, welcome you all in our math session. Previous session we have learned proper and improper fraction. Okay, let's revise. Proper fraction means a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. See here, 3 upon 5. 4 upon 9. Yes, this numerator is smaller than denominator is called proper fraction. Okay children. Now improper fraction. Improper fraction means a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. Let's see example of improper fraction. 11 by 9, 32 by 15, 41 by 8. Yes, these are called improper fraction. Okay children. And now today we are going to learn mixed fraction. Okay. Let's see what is mixed fraction. Children, see here. Mixed fractions, a combination of a whole number and a fraction is called mixed fraction. See, here are some fractions. Here is a circle and there are 4 parts of circle and 4 are shaded. So fraction of shaded part is 4 upon 4. Yes children? And 4 upon 4 means whole part is shaded means 1. Yes? 4 upon 4 means whole or one part. Again here in this example or in this figure 4 parts are there and 4 are shaded. So it is 4 upon 4 means it is called whole means 1. Third figure, yes, 4 parts are there and 4 are shaded. So fractions of shaded parts 4 upon 4 and 4 upon 4 means 1. Okay. Now in this fourth figure, see 4 parts are there. Yes, and how many shaded? 3. So this fraction is 3/4. Here in this figure fraction is 4/4. 4/4 is equal to 1. 4/4 is equal to 1. Means this whole 1 plus 1 plus 1 and this, if we see this all the figures or we count this all the figures and shaded parts together, then it is, see, 4 upon 4. If we add this plus 4 upon 4 plus 4 upon 4 and here again 3 upon 4. Okay. Now see here denominators are same. So we have to add numerators only. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12 and 12 plus 3 15. Okay. And 15 upon denominator same. Yes, 15 upon 4. Yes, this is the improper fraction. Yes children, because numerator is greater than denominator. This is improper fraction. Yes. Or if we take 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 plus this 1 and plus 3 upon 4. Yes. These 3 are whole parts of fraction, shaded parts of this 3 figure and 4th figure 3/4. Okay. And when we add this 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 3 upon 4. Yes children. And this 3 plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 full or whole and 3 upon 4. Okay, now see here, this 3 is a whole number. Yes children, and 3/4 is a fraction. When a combination of whole number and a fraction, yes, 3/4 is a fraction, is called mixed fraction. Yes, and here 15/4, yes, this 15/4 is equal to 3 and 3/4. yes, हम 15/4 लिखे या 3 whole and 3/4 लिखे, it is same. yes, because we add this 4/4, 4/4, 4/4 whole parts, and 4/4 means 1. yes, means this is improper fraction 15/4, and this is mixed fraction, means improper fractions are mixed fractions. yes children, means we can convert this improper fraction in the mixed fraction. So this 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 3/4 is equal to 15/4, and 15/4 is equal to 3 whole and 3/4, because this is 4/4 is 1, 4/4 is 1, and 4/4 is 1, means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is whole, 3 whole, and this remaining 3/4 is 3 whole and 3/4 is the mixed fraction. Understand children? Let's see one more example of mixed fraction. See here, one more example is here children. Here is a figure, 2 figures, and here third. Now in this figure 3 parts are there and 3 parts shaded. Okay, here also 3 parts shaded out of total 3 parts, and here 1 part is shaded out of 3 parts. Children, you know 3/3 is equal to 1, 3/3 is equal to 1. Okay, now if we take these fractions, 3/3, this 3/3 and this 1/3, and if we do addition here, then you know denominator are same, so we have to add numerator. So 3 plus 3 plus 1 upon denominator. So 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7/3. Yes, 7/3 means here the shaded part is 7 out of 3 figures. Okay, now if 7/3, now if we take this whole shaded part, okay, so 1, and here this is also 1 whole. Okay, so 1 plus 1 2. From these 3 figures 2 figures are shaded, and from this third figure out of 3 1 is shaded. Now here the fraction is 2 whole and 1/3. Now this 2 whole and 1/3 is called mixed fraction. Understand children? This is called mixed fraction, and this is 7/3 is a improper fraction, is 7/3 is also equal to this mixed fraction, because when we take these fractions then we get this improper fraction, and when we take here the whole figure, whole means 1 figure is shaded, here another 1 figure is shaded, means 2 figures shaded, and here in this third figure out of 3 1 is shaded. So these 2 whole, yes, and this 1/3 fraction is, when we see here the 2 whole and 1/3, it is the mixed fraction. Okay children? Children, see here the example of mixed fraction. Yes, a combination of a whole number. Yes, this is whole number and a fraction. This is fraction. It's called mixed fraction. Here in this example, 4 is whole and 1/3 is a fraction. So 4 1/3, it's called mixed fraction. Okay. Then 5 whole and 1/6. 5 is whole and 1/6 is a fraction. So 5 1/6 is a mixed fraction. Then 2 whole and 1/8. This is also mixed fraction. So these are the examples of mixed fraction. Okay children, I hope you have understood now about the mixed fraction.